Hey, listen, we're starting our trip, of course, with a breakdown. We hooked up the trailer and it turns out there are no lights on the trailer at all. So as usual, classic. We're heading to Camille now, because Camille has already fixed the socket in the Iveco more than once when it comes to the lighting connector for the trailer. So I hope he'll be able to do something about it. But the guy already has, listen, a lot of experience with these sockets and hitches in the Iveco. How often did the socket fail during your rental? We even fixed one together once already.
Many times. Maybe a cool car?
Cool!
How many tires did you pump? To CM as usual, 2.85 0.4 bar is the standard pressure.
I chose 265 but couldn't resist and...
There are predictions it must be 285.
Like I said, we're starting the trip with a breakdown.
Half a volt, right? Beautiful. 0.8, I think.
I was just telling you that something... There's little power, right?
Here's the controller for the tow hook. We install it at the service center because they use this controller there. It doesn't make sense.
The meter's battery is almost dead.
I can see this is Was it even connected? Well, now it is. But you only have one, just 12. Here it's 02. Jumping to 03. Here it's 06. It won't start, 01. "12 is only here with direction, since it's jumping for me.
So if it turns out we haven't fixed anything, we'll have to make a quick fix, run wires from the lamp, and buy a socket at the station.
Let's pray.
Camille, do you have the cables?
He's still half a turn short. What am I taking from him? A monster?
And I wanted to take the cables with me. Now our car has run out of battery too.
I don't have a car here at all.
And what the hell am I supposed to do now? No, this is some fucking bullshit, those damn drifts. Ms. The lady at the station lent us the cables, so we can't get them dirty. Oh God, it's already past 7 here, and we have 5 hours of driving ahead of us.
4. And still.
We need to make a nest. Are we making it here or somewhere else? No, let's just do it here and get it over with. Is that philosophy or not? Well, kind of. Stop! All right, we're running over 3 hours late, but we've set up a new system for the tow truck. And as you can see, the lights are on. And they weren't working at all before because the controller broke down. But we're moving out, right? All right, we've arrived. It's dark, and we're in a forest. In the morning, we'll show you what the place looks like. So we're going to sleep now. Hey, listen, we were greeted by the sun and birds in this cool atmospheric place. And now we're getting ready and heading to the track. Listen, adventures are adventures, trips are trips. But with all this commotion, I forgot to say why we're actually going. We're going to pick up a ride, a new ride. We're going to test it out. Test it in action. and really see what the construction differences are between these two cars. Because they're two completely different automotive worlds. So I can't wait, because literally in an hour, I should already be sitting in the car.
Alright, that's enough. I'll go out for a moment. And then? Yeah? What? Are you watching Andre Bibe and Gabriel? We'll see. Have you already written too?
Never anything, but I haven't ridden in this kind of specification.
We'll see. The brakes are there. Hey, this has brakes here.
Right now, yes.
I'm looking. Where? How? From the front. What's your first impression?
We'll see. But honestly, the emotions are huge. It's balanced a ride when it comes to looks, too. Let's just hope it works. But the emotions, God, my whole heart is racing when I see this car, how it's flying.
How does it seem? Will there be longing? There definitely will be. There definitely will be. It works just like always.
The heart works here too. Nice. I'll say, if you want, give me a call. We can work something out. All right, listen, the time has come that I'll take that car for a spin one more time because I'm nervous, but I won't say anything else. It's very cramped, and my thigh is hitting the steering wheel. Wait, hold on. Let's count the teeth.
3, 13, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 9, 10, 19, 2, 3, 14, 15, 6, 17, 18, 19, 2. We're changing the gears because they're a bit too long.
And we'll see how it goes. All right, from the other side. And we can blow the air through. That's thick. I'm enjoying it and getting used to the car. Second set of tires. In this ride, it'll get better with every run. My nanometer broke. I'm making do with what I have.
Free stone.
Oh! Second set's burned out. Grzeku's still tuning and working on the map. We should water him. I'm getting used to the car. The steering wheel locks more when I turn. Something's likely rubbing. It's cool, and I think I'll finally get along with this car, right?
Actually, there were two places where you had some trouble. The first thing is that you weren't getting close enough to the cones in the chicane after the first corner. The cones weren't placed to the end of the track on purpose, so you didn't have to be strict about it. Right after the first corner. Between the first and second corner, the cones were on the straight. Yes, on the straight. The cones were more on one side. We had more space to build up speed and really throw ourselves into the second corner, so...
The last corner. From the second to the last zone, do we stay on the outside along the track edge, or what?
Along the edge. Along the edge. It's routed on the outside there. That's why we say that simply for starting too early. You load up and it pulls you inward on the last turn.
To clarify, there's an outside zone after the chicane. In the middle of the hairpin, the outside. We go to the inside for the beer. Move to the outside, then go around to the hairpin.
Yes.
He's a little shy, but I hope he'll agree to an interview. Pavel? Is that right?
That's right.
Listen, we don't have a number one anymore. No, we don't. So today but now we have.
Two Nissans we have.
Again, two Nissans, and the same ones at that.
Yes.
So for now, at this moment, I have to admit, Powell is right, that when you get into the car, because today I got in without adjusting anything, without doing anything, I just drive this car. Right now, driving is harder for me than with the BMW, because I was used to it and had it set up for myself. We'll see how it goes after I set it up. What's your impression, Powell?
From your driving or from what?
No, from your driving and your car when you came to the S14.
That's what I often mentioned, like...
Set it up? No, once done.
Once I set it up, it's even better than before. Nissan is cool because it's built from ready-made parts.
Yes, but...
Now, when...
You have both the Nissan and BMW set up. How do you compare them?
They're totally different, but I think when it comes to their performance, grip, and speed, they're comparable. At least our 1 Series, if you can call it that, was similar to the Nissan.
Yes, yes. The only thing is the weight. Here, I feel that this car is lighter and it transitions faster for me. The Nissan was more, the Beamer was heavier, which sometimes made it harder to do a quicker transition when you wanted to.
That's also a matter of settings.
Exactly. So, good luck in today's competition.
Good luck.
All right, listen up. We have a mini competition now, so it's a really cool test in the new ride. We're starting from the top 8. Since it rained and the track will dry, it'll be half wet, half dry, making things busy behind the wheel. Who are are you going up against in the first pair? In the first pair, I'm going up against Krzysztof Jóźwiak and his new M2, so that's a cool car. Listen, today I burned through 3 sets of tires and managed to take 3rd place. I beat Eric Gochow for 3rd place, which blows my mind. The first round was also really cool with Krzysztof Jóźwiak and his M2, and I managed to win that one nicely too. Let's keep it up, getting in the car for tests, and I'll see you at the first round of the Polish Drifting Championships on May 27. So today, we actually ran into each other with Eric. Here's the winner. It was kind of like a mini competition, really. Eric is getting ready for Drift Masters, and I'm preparing for DMP. We've agreed to do more tandem runs, and you'll soon see how it turns out for us.